Hey guys, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. And I am back with another hacking type tutorial. And to those who don't know, I had made one more hacking type tutorial on WhatsApp and I have provided the link in the description box below. And you can also check that video through this I button link on the upper right side. So yeah, if you have not watched that video yet, you should go and check that video too. So guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you the hacking procedure of an Android phone, as you can conclude from the title and the thumbnail of this video. So I hope you'll like it, and for more such tutorials don't forget to press the subscribe button. Guys, I'm just setting a new milestone of 100 subscribers and I know it's really easy for you all. Just subscribe my channel. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, let's suppose this is the device which you wanna hack. So all you have to do is just go to Google and search for Android dot the truth spy, and then just open this first link. And now click on this download button and download the app, and then click on OK, and now you can see it's downloading. So it will take a few seconds to download. So guys, before going to the app, you should go to Google setting first, and if you don't find a Google setting option on your menu, then you will find it on your setting definitely. So I have my Google setting here on my menu only, so I'll click on this and then I'll go to security, and I have to uncheck this. You can see scan device for security threat. I just have to uncheck this, and now I'm all set to use that application. So you can see this is the application we have just installed, the Truth Spy. So I'll open it. So you can see it will look like this. Now I have to click on this register new account and then click on agree, and then put your email address and password and retype your password and just create an account. So guys, now you can see I have put all the required things here. I put my email address, the password, retyped it, and now I'll click on this create account. So it will take few minutes or seconds. So you can see it's saying the login is successful. I have successfully registered. Now I'll click on this activate button and you can see it's configuring. It will take few minutes for the proper configuration. So now click on this configuration button and don't forget to hide the icon of the Truth Spy so that the user of this device can't find it. So click on hide icon and then click on yes. So you are all set to record to see all the activity of this device from your computer. Now search the truthspy.com on Google. And then click on this first link here. Yeah. So after clicking on that link, you will be directed to the home page. Yeah, here it is. This is the home page, and now On the upper right side, you'll see this sign in button. So you have to click on the sign in button. And now you will be directed to a login page, and you have to put the same email ID and the password by which you register on the phone initially. Now put that email ID and password. So now I am logging in and will be directed to the dashboard of the Truth Spy page. So here it is. This is the main dashboard of the website, and here you will see the model number of the device which you just hacked, and here is the type of the device, which was Android. Here you will see the last update date and time and all those stuff. Yeah. And come, let's see the features and all. So you can see the GPS history, SMS, call history, auto answer and all. So first of all, I'll just show you the SMS, where you can see the conversation, the received messages, the sent messages and all. So here it is. Actually it only have one conversation. So yeah, here you will see the received messages, and here you will see the sent messages. It's all showing blank because there is no messages, and you can just read the messages of every conversation. So that's all in the SMS section. Let's get back to the dashboard, and I'll show you more. Here you can also see the call history, the GPS history. So let's see the GPS history. Okay, it's showing has no record. It might be because the phone does not have GPS setting turned on. So yeah, it might be the reason. So let's get back to the dashboard. And I'll show you something more interesting. So let me first scroll down, and here you can see you can also watch the WhatsApp history, the URL history, the contact history, the photos, and in the gold version you can see the line history, the cake, the BBM history and all. So these were the things for which you have to pay, and it's not free. So guys, that's it. I hope you liked my video. If you did, please hit the like button, and if you have any queries regarding this application or anything else, you can just comment in the comment section below. And guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get the notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.